Hi everyone, I'm Tony from Kesugroup. Today I will be talking about the machining part processing. This machining part process has no density, which is 1.8 cubic centimeters, which is almost close to the plastic part. It also has nice lead texture, high strength, and good heat deposition. So they are widely used in many fields such as aerospace, automobile, and cameras. Kesugroup has processed many different kinds of machining parts, such as auto parts and parts for engine, parts for the camera, for notebook and brackets. We have been working with many well-known domestic and foreign companies about processing. We can apply the MLO or an MPO, electroprocesses and coatings. This camera housing is in Magensium. We produce for a well-known Japanese brand. The infrastructure is extremely complex and the precision of the equipment is also high. We have rich experience in many successful cases in Magensium machining, like this. Magensium processing is flammable and explosive. Using this processing, we must protecting and do following the following working standard. First, we need using the special cutting liquid fluid or tools for the magnesium alloy. Second, we need to prepare special fire extinguisher for the magnesium. And also put the sand beside the machine because we need to prevent the fire because it's very dangerous. As you know, the magnesium will be react with the carbon dioxide, and the normal water can to extinguish the fire. So the operators must take good protection and follow up all these process. Last, the magnesium alloy cutting tubes should also be properly stored to avoid high temperature and to avoid contact with the water. Regarding magnesium alloy parts processing technology, welcome to leave your comments. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.